Wingstop and Buldak mukbang. First bite for you. Buzz.
We got Buldak and Wingstop, the perfect tender. Some ranch. First bite for you. Yo, I made this so good today. Just look at that bite right there. Whoever cooked today need they ass ate. Hot honey rub. More ranch. Every tender is perfect. My last video, that was an honest mistake. I honestly misspoke. I know who Cat's Eye is, y'all. I don't know why I said that. Probably because we were talking about Cat's Eye. I don't know. But cheers. This bite can be for you. This bite can be for you. Oh, the ranch is so freaking good. Wingstop, please send me a bucket. My last bite.
Wingstop and Buldak noodles. Wingstop and Buldak noodles.
Oh my
gosh. Let's try arguably the best combo with Buldak ramen, some Wingstop. We got the carbonara flavor with extra spice. Wrap it around. I've been craving this combo. Wow, that is too damn good. This is definitely spicy. Let's try it with the hot honey rub, which is the best Wingstop flavor on the menu. Would you like a bite? Oh my god. Put some ranch on there. Look at that bite. It doesn't even need the ranch for real. And I definitely couldn't forget it with the spicy flavor. This time I got the Cajun. One thing about me, y'all, if I crave something, I'm getting it. Look at that bite. If this was my last meal, I'd be happy. Oh my god. I think the best flavor by far with the Buldak ramen is hot honey rub. Last big bite. Look at that bite. One of my top meals by far.
Wingstop and Buldak mukbang, but with a twist. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stuff the sandwich with Buldak. Shout out to Rodeo for this idea. I was live and they requested this. First bite for you. Bust.
Hi loves, today I made us Buldak and Wingstop. Their new Chipotle rub. Take your bite. Whoa, you're a messy eater. All jokes aside, this Chipotle rub is definitely my new favorite flavor. It's like the hot honey but has more spices to it. I didn't put extra well done, but these are so crispy that they kind of hurt my mouth. Cheers. I live right by, like, not a main road, kind of a main road, so.
Cheesy Buldak and Wingstop. Hot honey.
Dave's hot chicken and Buldak noodles.
Let's eat David, Wingstop, and Buldak. Quick dessert break. Let's rank these 3 true fruit flavors: blueberry, cherry, and strawberry.
Was craving Wingstop, so of course I got some. And we're eating it with my leftover Buldak. Starting off with the best flavor. I'll let you guys guess in the comments. You guys can have that bite. This is the new citrus mojo or mojo flavor. This is actually my first time having Buldak and Wingstop together. I feel like I always see it on my For You page and I never got the chance to try it. Perfect combo. I actually love this new flavor. I also ordered some corn. Absolutely love this combo and I'm definitely saving this for later, but so good. Wingstop and Buldak noodles.
Let's eat David's hot chicken with Buldak. Yo, those are some creamy noodles. You can't tell me this don't look good. I'm telling you, Buldak and their sandwich is so good.
We got Buldak and Wingstop. Look how good that looks. First bite for you. Look at that. Hot honey rub. Ranch. Y'all, it was really just a misunderstanding and it turned like, you know, physical. But it's okay, y'all. We've made up. We're back talking. Like, it's nothing serious. It's not gonna hold us back. Excuse me. Like I said, y'all, we've already made up. Sisters fight. It's okay. Cheers. I would never do that again. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Lisa. Moral of the story, y'all, I just don't think people should try Libras. We're indecisive. We don't know what we're gonna do. We don't know. And then you going around fucking provoking us and shit. Like, I don't know if I was gonna attack you or not. I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's just hard being a Libra sometimes. Nobody understands me. Because, like, I don't even understand myself, you know? Like, I just wish somebody was on my side, you know? Any Libras, y'all understand? I know y'all understand. Cheers. That.
Wingstop and Buldak mukbang. Hot honey tenders. First bite for you. Bust.
Today I got Wingstop and Buldak, the perfect tender ranch. Y'all can have the first bite. Cheers. Original hot tender. Dip in the ranch. Cheers. Don't need Buldak for the original hot, but just look at how good this looks. I also made my Buldak perfect like I do every single time. Because all I use is Buldak with the Wingstop. I don't add like the rice cakes or nothing like that. But yeah, if y'all want to know how I make it, let me know. This is lemon pepper, like an L or a foot. I don't know what this looks like to y'all. Now it kind of give dragon. Anyways, this is about to be a really good bite. Cheers.
Buldak and Wingstop mukbang. First bite for you. Buzz.